You have the power to develop any skill. You can achieve anything if you put yourself in the right mindset. Don't settle for less than your potential. The human will is unstoppable when you refuse to play it safe because you're afraid to fail. We're all afraid of failure, but what does failure mean to most people? It feels like rejection or not being enough. Deep down, people fear they're not enough, and if they're not enough, they won't be loved. However, you can always succeed if you find something you care about more than just money, something with purpose or a mission. This will push you through hard times, because disappointment is part of the journey. But the real question is, will you let disappointment defeat you or drive you forward? If you turn disappointment into motivation, you'll always win. But if you let it turn into fear and hesitation, you'll lose. This is not a game for those who aren't fully committed. Think about it. Fear and faith are both powerful forces. They can either destroy your life or create it. Fear is your imagination, running wild without direction. If you don't control it, it grows like weeds without effort. The brain is wired for survival, and if you don't take charge, it'll drive you without helping you succeed. On the other hand, faith is controlled imagination. You decide to imagine victory, and by doing so repeatedly, you create certainty in yourself. This certainty leads to action and the lessons you need to reach your goals. So, you need to decide. If you're here just to learn skills, you'll be satisfied with that. But what truly transforms you is a shift in your identity, a realization that it is not just about mastering the mechanics, but understanding yourself and those around you. Recognizing patterns both in business and in people makes you stronger. The beauty of business is that it forces you to keep growing. If you stop growing, someone else will overtake you. The key to happiness is progress. Whether you're losing weight, improving your relationships, or succeeding in business, as long as you're progressing, you'll be happy. Happiness doesn't come from achieving your goal, but from the progress you make towards it. Progress means growth, and growth means life. Everything in life either grows or dies: your business, your relationships, and even you. A business is either growing or dying right now. There's no middle ground. That's why business is such an incredible feedback loop. It shows you where you're redoing well or falling short. If you truly understand this, you'll enter a game that challenges you to grow and succeed. As you grow, you'll face bigger challenges, but they come with bigger solutions. If you're not where you want to be, it's because you've created a comfort zone. We all have one, but the key is to break out of it by continuously learning and growing. Don't rely on hope as your strategy. Hope is not enough. When starting a business, people often think they're the most important person, handling everything from software to sales. But as your business scales, you'll realize it's no longer about you. It's about the system, the people, and the structure. You must adapt to scale effectively. If you're not fully committed to learning and growing, it's time to reconsider. Learning doesn't stop after a few days, it's ongoing. You'll keep learning and growing, and that's what will lead you to mastery. If you're starting from nothing, you can still succeed. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen faster than you think. You need to monitor your mindset and ask yourself, where's my certainty? If your certainty is low, you need to take action quickly, or you'll waste time. Many people have mixed feelings about money, thinking it's bad or wrong. But if you want to succeed, you must resolve these inner conflicts and understand that money is a tool. It's not the enemy. You may still be afraid, but that's normal. Courage is doing it despite your fear. You need to confront your fears, or partner with someone who complements your strengths. Sometimes, success comes from collaborating, not just pushing forward alone. The journey isn't always straightforward. The challenges you face often help you move forward, and by embracing them, you'll find new insights. Success comes from persistence, growth, and a refusal to be stopped, no matter what.